pony adventure!
Ponies in the sunshine.
Look at the ponies! They are so beautiful!
Dancing through the flowers.
I can see baby ponies! Let's go meet them!
Can be.
Hello, little pony!
Clip, clap
Come
through
say
the
hi!
meadow.
It's walking toward us!
Racing side by
I think it likes us already! Its fur
Come
feels
on,
so
join
soft!
us.
Look at those shiny eyes! This pony is very gentle. I want to pet it again!
Ponies play.
Look at the tiny baby pony! It's so small! It's following us! That is so cute! Can I give you a hug? This pony is so friendly! I wish I had a pony! Me too! Let's decorate the ponies! This flower looks perfect! Now you look like a pony princess! And this one is a pony king! Hold on! Here we go! We're riding through the flowers! This feels amazing! What a fun adventure! Ready, set, go! My pony is super fast! Catch us if you can! This is the best race ever! Let's rest for a